Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again, bring another Chaos Zero Nightmare. So just to talk about again, bringing you back what I'm doing up with the combinations. So I have two teams right now. I'll show you my combination of the teams. My deck technically, my cards are not yet souped up, unfortunately, because I'm not really getting lucky with the chaos. There's a way for you to focus on the characters as well. I'll be making a video on that. But again, my team would be, if you will see here, let's go to simulation. Let's go to Basin Hyperspace Dimensional Dawn. I'm still completing this one yet. Okay, so let's just try to this one on stage 4. So I have this team. Okay, so I have a team of Yugo, Teresa, Mika, Beryl, Ria, and Maylin. Okay, Beryl, Nia, and Maylin. So that's my combo. Okay, let's talk about this on how I do it. So on top of the mentality that I've given you, put more draw cards on your supports that has an ability to cast an AP or draw more cards. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't wanna do it on. I want to do it manually. So retry, and then put your attack zero cost on your attacker. Okay, that's fairly basic. If you are, it all depends on your character, anyways. So like for example here. So what I'll do is upon creation grant random epiphany per turn. I'm gonna use that. Hopefully I'll get an epiphany. So when another combatant uses an upgrade card, gain one hunt commence at turn start. All enemies gain agony. So you gain poison as well, which is really good. So let's use the skill. Let's use the skill here. Okay, to get one, and then I can use this to attack, and then there would be follow up later for your enemies. So you can also use an ego skill, draw one enhanced card if there are no enhanced card in the pile. I'm not gonna do that because I don't have a cast. I accidentally clicked it. So I accidentally clicked it. Let's cancel that. I accidentally clicked it. Let's retry. Retry it again. So just showing you how it's done. Okay, that's my team. 3 of my decks. I suggest I feel like 1 5-star would be enough. You can't be putting in 2 attacker types, or like again, it's all about team composition. I feel, and this is very like team composition is very important in this game. So wait a minute. Throw dagger. Throw dagger. Commence the hunt. Okay. So let's throw dagger. Wait a minute. Let's attack so that he will attack. Yeah, see this one. That's the commence of the hunt. Then attack again. Okay, that's done. That ends my turn. So again, you only have 3 AP. Okay, so he has a counter attack. Okay, so now there's let me see. So Sadism, who has -1. So this would be 0 cast now, which is really good. See, this is what I like about Sadism. It's gonna be random. Okay. So now I can destroy this guy. 2 hits. Boom. Okay, next turn. So unsheath skill that will increase my hunt. Okay, which is really good. Epiphany. Okay, so I will might be doing this. Okay, boom, 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 random, boom. I still have 4. So everybody dies here. Weaken, follow up, attack here, follow up, and then poison after. And then I still have 1. Maybe I'll just heal just for the heck of it for the next attacker. So that's dead. So very easy to do. So now I have agony imprint weaken. So I'm gonna imprint that agony and then weaken as well. So that will increase my damage. And then I'm gonna like this one is not that great of a card if you don't have like a movement here. So 2 attack damage if you comment the hunts, draw a card. So bam, draw a card. So look at that, bro. And then I will do 2 plus AP. It's like crazy, guys. It's so crazy. I like this combination. Boom. A whirlpool. And then come on, can we cast? Bro. Yeah, okay. So this is his ult, really cool ult. Violet and black, I really love that. So I still have 5 follow-ups. And then he might do a counter attack. But like we're not gonna do that. So again, let's heal. Oh wait. Let's just attack. Boom. So that's how you do it. That's my team. Technically, follow-up team with poison and counter attack. This one, on the other hand, I really do love this team. This is my Feed the Dragon team. So again, Melee is always attacking, and I want my team to be giving her the ability to attack further. Okay, so this would be plus 20 to the attack card damage when using an attack card, 1 passion weakness to the target. So this is gonna be your upgrade. Boom. Okay, and then Rally. Plus 3 action card count to all enemies. Plus 3 action count. Okay. Okay. So, activate the top card of the draw pile. Decibel equal to that cost. Let's do that. Okay. And then she will use that attack. Okay. Once she draw that, whatever she draws, she will attack. Which is really cool. This one, attack all enemies. Boom. Sub DPS. And then we'll be striking them here. Boom. Then what do we have here? Like I'm okay anyways. We'll do that later. So that's how I do it. Feeding Maylin all the time, so that she can cast Embers. So look at this. Draw 3 cards, which is really good. I wish she has more AP. So 2 Embers. This is really good. The Embers, when hitting or defeating a target in breakthrough straight plus 30% damage. Okay. But like again, this guy is dead anyways. This guy is dead. Boom. For 1 turn when a card is discarded, 1 decibel for gain 2 fortitude. We're not gonna be doing that. This is just like a shield. So create 1 opening found. So that's cast 0 for her to attack. So they're practically trying to complement each other. Sub DPS and a DPS with like draw. So draw 2 basic cards as well. Cost of the card will be -1. This is also good for her. See, look at that. 0 cast. And then we get shields. We strike her with Ember. Oh my god. Boom. And then we have this one as well. This is her ult. I should have cast that on the other side. But like, yeah, I just want that enemy to die. No, not this one. Not this one. Oops, I accidentally clicked it. Anyways. So that's practically what I do. The other side is follow up. This one is feeding Maylin. Feeding Maylin so that like she's gonna be able to like cast. See, this one I put this one on Maylin. This is so good. Boom, boom, boom. And she's so strong in attacking. So look at that. Feeding the dragon. And then with that, like she can. Wait a minute. Can we draw cards here? This is her ult. Let's use the ego skill. Boom. Okay, so next hits later. Okay, let's just destroy that. Rocket launcher. Boom. Okay. I just need... Oh my god, there's lots of bleeds. They're removing my ability. F that. Let's draw. I don't care. This one dies. This one dies. Draw a card. Okay. Can we... this one. Hopefully it's an attack. It's an attack card that I will draw. I don't have an AP anymore. Damn. It's okay. Bleed is okay. I'm not gonna die. Turn, what are we now? Okay. So, Ember. So, once there's an Ember there, let us attack. This is gonna die. Boom, boom. Two attacks. And then, okay, let's see the decibel. 0 to cast. Whatever she draws, she will hit. So, that's technically what she got. If it's a support card, then, see, this is what I like. Okay, so these are the things that you need to consider. This is my team at the moment. So you can even remove but like again, I would like to have this combo. I know there's no like this is a good combo for me. This one they really complement each other, and this one really complements each other. So that's why you will see my presets. I call it follow you poison and feed the dragon. Feeding the dragon while you're getting supported by Beryl and Nia. So that's my combination there. Hopefully you guys like this deck of mine, deck showcase. So that's how I do things. We'll be talking about different kinds of character, like why are they being so good like that. So I'll be talking about that one, but that's just the summary of my deck. So hopefully you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. Again, this is 2000 Gaming. Comment down below what are the other cards that you have, or what decks do you have. I would like to hear from you guys. And that's it for me. I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe. This is again 2000 Gaming. Bye bye.